What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project vlog, and as you can see we have a couple of Porsche TAYCANs here, but for today's vlog what we're going to focus on is this one, a brand new TAYCAN Sport Turismo GTS in Neptune Blue. And what this owner is having us do is a full body custom ClearGuard Alpha PPF installation. We will also be tinting the windows with the best in Spectra Photosync IRD. What this owner has chosen is 55% on the sides and rears and 70% on the front windshield. After that, we're going to coat the entire car with Nanolex Cerabide, which is one of two coatings that we carry here at Premier. So let's get this moved in, started, and check out the process. Alright guys, another Porsche TAYCAN completed. So while we're here, let's actually first take a look at the window tint. What this owner chose was Spectra Photosync IRD, 55% on the sides and rears, 70% on the front windshield. And very often we get asked by customers for examples to see what certain shades look like in combination with their paint color. So this being Neptune Blue, it will give you an idea of what this combination looks like. Also take into consideration that this owner has a big glass panel roof up top, so it lets in a lot more light. This tint shade at 55% will look a little bit lighter on this car, especially with the white interior, as opposed to another car with solid roofs and dark interior color. This owner also chose 70% on the front windshield so that it optimizes UV rejection and also blocks out a lot of heat up front. Basically, within the entire photosync line at every given shade, it is the best heat rejection possible. Now, as far as the paint is concerned, we protected every single painted panel on this car with ClearGuard Alpha, the best optical clarity and gloss PPF in this industry. Everything is custom installed, so as an example, this front bumper over here, there are no relief openings. All the edges are wrapped wherever possible, and if it is not possible, we bring the film right up to the edge so that you don't see that seam at all. So this is done with every single panel on every edge and corner area, so to make this look as OEM as possible. We also topped off the entire car. For this one, the owner chose Nanolex Cerabide, one of 2 coatings that we offer here at Premier. And basically what you see right now is the best type of protection possible for these cars. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos and another Taycan completed. So until the next one, please stay tuned and I'll see you later.